How to search and find new filters on Snapchat app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to search for new filters on Snapchat. So all what you have to do is simple. Go to Snapchat. Now this is the home page. Go here and click on this emoji. Click on emoji right here. Now go down and click on the explore option down here. Click on explore, and right here you will find many many filters, as you can see. And you can also search for a filter right here if you want. And if you want to see the trending filters like those, and the face filters, as you can see, and there is many filters as you can see right here, and the music filters, the creators filters. It's very easy and fast. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.